Hey everyone, welcome to London Building Contractors, where we understand the importance of creating a space that is truly custom to fit the needs of you and your family or business. Our team of professional designers, architects, project managers and craftsmen strive to reach the highest standards and level of care in helping you design and build your dream project. We strive to deliver affordable and quality services that are above and beyond what is requested, making the whole process simple and stress-free, the result being home and business owners who are delighted with the comfort and beauty of their project for years to come. Our mission is to provide complete turnkey design-build services for high-end residential construction, including new builds, home additions and large remodels, as well as for business that are completed on time and under budget, with every detail completed to perfection. Our dedicated team are prepared to work with you tirelessly right from the initial consultation throughout to delivering the highest levels of service with a true eye for detail. Contact London Building Contractors today for your complete turnkey solutions.